Hello and welcome to Creating with Miss K. In this video, I am participating in an open collaboration titled Refreshing Your Space with Earth Tones. So I am going to feature my living room area that I have decorated with earth tone colors. This ivory and hints of gold, tad bit of black. The floors are wood. It looks really earth tony. So I'm just going to let you look to see what I have decorated. So many different spaces here in this portion of my living room I have enjoyed decorating. So this is my refresh. This was such a great idea. The host for this week, for this collaboration, is Anna from The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, SANDYLYNN'S Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home and Decor, and Jennifer at Home. I would like to thank these ladies for hosting this collaboration. I am so looking forward to seeing what all of the other creators have come up with their refresh of these earth tone colors. But make sure that you go by the playlist, check out all of the creators' videos, watch to the end, leave them a comment, give them a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And one more thing. If this is your first time on my channel and you like my content and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much. Thanks to all these wonderful hosts for hosting this collaboration. I am so excited. I've said that earlier, but I am so excited to see everyone's videos. Earth tones, refreshing with earth tones. Okay, I'm going to put on a little music. I'm going to give you a little bit of fashion to look at throughout this video. I hope you enjoy. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Be blessed.